Hello, welcome back to the vlog. You guys, I don't even know what day it is in the vlog, but it is Friday. We just got out of work. It is currently 1:28. We are at the gym. I'm about to go ahead and get me a little workout in, and I do leave Monday to go see my man. You guys already know. I leave Monday and I have not packed anything, and I do this to myself every time. I'm currently eating my little apple. We got Anaya with me. And yeah, we're about to go ahead and go to the gym. My sisters have been coming with me, so it's been so much more motivating. It's been so much more fun when you have your girls. So yeah, we're gonna go in here and get our bodies right, because you know summer is around the corner, girl. We need to get our bodies on point, okay? I also need to find me another little suitcase, because the suitcase that I usually bring, a screw fell out of it, and now like the handle part is all messed up. So I need to find me like a little cute carry-on, but for an affordable price, okay? So we're gonna go to Marshall's after this, and then we're gonna pack, like literally pack. I did pick up 2 shifts this weekend though, because I was supposed to have, so the rest of this weekend I was supposed to have off. So today was supposed to be my last day, and then I won't be back until the 31st. But I ended up picking 2 8-to-1 shifts, one on Saturday, one on Sunday, and then I leave Monday. So it's not too bad though. 8-to-1 I feel like is like just a cutesy little shift, you know. I'm making a little bit of money, but yeah. So we do work the next 2 days, and then I leave Monday, and then yeah, we just literally have to pack, do my nails, do my hair. I don't know if I want to get my toes done yet or not. I'm just a little iffy on if I want to get my toes done. They need to be done, like, horrendously. So yeah, I'm trying to see what I want to do. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this workout in. Then we're going to go to Marshall's. So yeah, come hang out with us.
See, I'm losing on my focus. If you choosing, on my chosen. Cruising in this cold Benz. Soon picking up your friends. Give me dirty looks, cause they know a lot. 100 with you, yeah, they know I'm not. Give it 25, not a whole lot. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap. Had roses running out when I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in zone. You don't have a clue, but I don't want to give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Girl, I used to be your baby till I got lost, found me, baby. And I lost focus, I had to locate it. But did you notice, baby? Right now I'm focused, baby. Yes, I'm focused right now. Look, at least you know it now. Maybe we should slow it down. Must be the liquor, cause I do street vibes tonight. We shared in some midnights. We shared a story.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're here to find a little pink suitcase, hopefully. These are kind of cute. I like those. Oh my gosh, look at these trees. I have to get one of these. These are stunning. Oh my gosh. They have some little suitcases over here. I wanted a pink one really bad, but this one is like the perfect size. Like the perfect size for a carry-on. I'm gonna try to see if they have any more over here. I really want the pink one, but it has a little scratch on it. I wonder if they'll give me a discount. She's just so cute. So they had this little white one as well, and they have this black one, but I really love the pink. She's so cute. But I need to see if I can get a discount, because girl, like, she's a little messed up. Look at how cute this is. It's super pink. I love the lace detailing, and it comes with like these little shorts. How cute is she? They also have this one, which I was gonna get, but I'm like, you know what? I really like the silk. This is super cute though in the back. So we made it out of Marshall's. I am headed home to start packing. I am gonna stop at the hair store though because they have super cute bangles or like bracelets, and they don't tarnish or turn my skin green when I wear them in the shower. So I'm gonna get some of those and kind of create like a little stack before I head home. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and pack. So let's go ahead and pack. I got my suitcase. They gave me like maybe $8 off, but it is what it is. At least I got something off. So yeah, somebody paid for our tropical smoothie, me and both my sisters. They paid for all 3 of our tropical smoothie and a girl in front of us. So we got free tropical smoothie. That was God. That was God looking out. He knew. But yeah, I'm gonna see if the hair store's open and try to find these bracelets and see if I can make a little stack, because I just want to update my or upgrade my my stack. And then that's pretty much it. We're gonna go home and pack our stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this stuff packed and ready to go, so that way when Monday comes or when Sunday comes, I literally don't have to do anything. It is actually the next day now. Girl, we didn't get no packing done last night. Well, I did get like my pajamas all together and a couple of outfits together, but Anaya ended up having an accident, so I had to go pick her up, take care of her, bring her back to my brother, and it was a whole situation. But I never showed you guys my little bracelets that I got from the hair store, so let me show you guys that really quick. Okay, so these are how the bracelets look. They are so cute, and I've worn these in water so many times and they don't turn green, they don't rust. I have one at home that I still have from like a year ago that still looks exactly like these ones, but they have different wrist sizes, and I got the smaller one than the other one, so these fit perfectly, and I love how they just go together with my watch as well. So yeah, I'm excited that I got these. They're super cute. I love them. I decided to get 4 of them, and I got a size 5 this time, and look how sparkly. They're such good quality, and they were like $3 each, I believe. But yeah, that's how those ended up turning out. I did go ahead and book a pedicure appointment. It is at 2 o'clock right now. Let me see what time it is. I think it's like 1:14. So I'm gonna go there really quick, or I might stop at home and grab my batteries because my battery's gonna die. Also, do not mind my Polar Express braids, you guys. These have been in for like 3 days and they look a hot mess, but you know what, it is what it is. We'll fix our hair tomorrow. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to this nail appointment. I'm probably gonna stop home and grab a battery because my batteries are dying. I also need to get a new SD card because mine broke. Literally, it's broken pieces right now. And I tried to put it back together and put it back in my little computer thing so I can edit my videos. But your girl needs a new SD card because this one runs out really fast. I have 1 hour and 27 minutes, and it's the one that came with my my camera. But anyways, yes, we have a lot to do. We have to pack when we get home for real this time. And then I have to wash Anaya's clothes, go through her clothes and see what she's bringing. And then nail appointment. And I think we'll be good after that. So yeah, come along. Let's get some stuff done. Also, I wanted to show you guys this. Anaya has to dress like a grandma for school on Monday. And I got her this little set. So it comes with these glasses. It comes with a necklace and a whole wig. And then, let's see. It came with this dress too, this nightgown, but the nightgown is so big, you guys, this is not gonna fit her. So I'm gonna try to see if I could probably like roll the sleeves up, but it's gonna be like an oversized nightgown on her. And then it has like a wig cap and some stockings. So she's gonna look so cute on Monday, like an old grandma. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that because that's what we're gonna be doing for Monday. But anyways, let's go. Okay, so we had to come to Ulta, and the music is kind of loud, but you guys, they have a 50% off sale today on Sol de Janeiro. The body lotion is now $16, and then the body spray or the hair and body mist is $19.50, so I'm going to get one of each. welcome back. So we ended up getting our toes done, and I'm not really sure how I feel about the color, but now we are out and about. I actually decided to exchange my suitcase that I got yesterday because I don't like the scratches on it, and I know they gave me a discount, but it was only like $8, and I ended up going to TJ Maxx and finding one for $60, so I'm going to take the other one back in just a second. But we stopped at Ulta, we stopped at Barnes & Noble, and I got me a little Starbucks. Look how cute their Starbucks cups are at Barnes & Noble. They're huge. This was $6 for this. And then I also picked up some goodies from Ulta. But we are almost done packing. I got all of my clothes figured out. Anaya's clothes are in the washer right now. And then I'm going to go home and grab the suitcase and bring it back to Marshall's so I can get my money back for that. But I'm so glad I found one for cheaper, and it's super cute. It's still pink. I'll show you guys that as well. I just wanted to update you guys because I didn't talk to you guys after I got my toes done. Barnes & Noble actually has an entire like cafe full of food at their Starbucks instead of like normal stuff that Starbucks would have. So they got me a little like pretzel snack. It's so good. It has like spinach and feta. But yeah, I just want to update you guys on what's been going on. I'm about to go home after this and grab the suitcase, bring that back, and then finish packing my clothes, and then I have to work tomorrow, and then I'll be done. I just have to do my nails and my lashes, and then we are done. So alright, so we made it back home. I'm about to go ahead and start packing all the stuff that I can pack right now because I did wash most of my other clothes that I'm bringing, and then Anaya's clothes are in the dryer right now. So I'm about to just go ahead and pack the stuff that I can. I also have to still return my other suitcase, but we're gonna have a little girls' night tonight, so I'm gonna bring that back to Marshall's later when I'm heading to go hang out with my sisters. But let me go ahead and show you guys a suitcase that I picked up today because it's super cute. It was $20 cheaper than the other one, and it has no scratches on it. So yeah, let me show you guys that. Do you guys know this is a suitcase that I got yesterday, and it has these scratches all over it, and they only gave me $8 off of this. She is super cute though. I love this color pink and the black. But then I went to TJ Maxx and I seen they had this one, and she's super cute. Like, look at the zippers. She's super cute for $60, and I paid almost $100 for this. So
fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and more. I just can't get everything so I crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. I've been waiting on you to tell me how to.
So today's a 100 day at school. Look at her glasses and her makeup and her cane. Turn around so I can see the bun. Come on.